Bandage. To cover or wrap a wound or injury with a bandage. She carefully bandaged his arm after the accident. The nurse bandaged the patient's wound with sterile gauze. He learned how to bandage a sprained ankle in the first aid class. She bandaged her finger after cutting it while cooking. The paramedic quickly bandaged the injured man at the scene.